In this next video, we're going to be installing the center console plastic and the gauge cluster plastic back onto the dash. If you like the video, smash that like button. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. It really does help out with the YouTube algorithm. And if you want to be notified of upcoming videos as we post in the YouTube, please click on that notification icon and you'll be notified. Thank you again and enjoy the video. Here at the garage, I don't have the tumbler, and these screws don't look the best to me. So, I have a screw kit. Because I just don't have the tumbler here at the garage. So, I want to open this, so let's, like so. And let's see what we got. Well, it's we got a couple options, so let's check these ones out first, because these look like the ones that come closest to what I'm looking for. The heads might be too small. This is a problem. The heads are slightly smaller, but they are the right length. So let's see. That's the bottom. So now we're gonna get the side screw here. Let's see what condition this screw looks in. Looks in pretty good condition, being where it was. Let's take a look. Yeah, doesn't look that bad at all. So we're gonna use it. But I only have one of them, because the other one's missing. So, put it in like that. So, and there's supposed to be a screw on this side. Right there. So, let's find one. I don't know how long it's supposed to be because I never had one to pull out of there. Let's try one of these smaller ones. The door defroster bezel. Let's see how that works. I don't know. This might not work out that well. Yeah. Alright. Well, there's nothing for the screw to attach to. So, we're not going to put this in. Or attempt to put this in. So there, that's that. Alright. So with that done, we can now put in this piece of plastic. So let's see what we got for that. We got to put on the rubber grommet that goes right there. And I believe I have that one right in here. Oh, look at that. I believe I left that right in here, and here it is. Here it is. So we want that to go in there. Right in there. And that's where our headlight switch rod, that guy over here that you can't see, that rod goes through right there. So let's get this open and see what we can do. So like the gauge cluster, we got to take out the tilt steering arm, and this has to go in kind of at an angle so that we swing up and into place, but we have to get it past that like so, and we gotta get the light switch through the hole, and there we go. It's in place, it lines up right here. That's good. Let's see how things look. Oh, look at that, it's pretty. Hatch is open, check engine, everything looks good. So let's get it together. So let's see what condition these screws look like out of the bag. So this is the very long one, and start this in. See how it goes. Ah, shut up. The horn keeps going off. Some guy keeps hitting the horn. I don't know who he is, but he's kind of annoying sometimes. And I just want to tighten it enough so it's snug, because I don't want to break it. And then I have the screw that goes up there. I have 3 more. Where the heck do these guys go? 1, 2, 3. Right over here. 1, 2, 3. 3. So 1, 2, 3. Let's get those in. The console plastic's in, the gauges are in, the gauge plastic's in. I gotta put in the light switch knob. When you take the light switch knob off, there's a little metal piece that you gotta stick a small screwdriver in to get it to unlock from the light switch rod. But in there is a triangle. So it's almost like an elongated square for the metal piece, but the plastic piece has a triangle inside of it. The switch rod is a triangle. So we need to line that up, and some of you may have an image of the lights on the front of your knob. Mine has pretty much worn off. So I really can't see what it is. But as long as I line up that triangle with the triangle I have there on the rod, I should be good. I need to have that out this way. So let's take it and put it on. I need a flat. I need it like that. So I need the point going that way. There we go. Cool. That's done.